Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Fix Online. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix inverted camera on Roblox. While playing a game on Roblox, if you notice that your camera is inverted, then here is how to fix it. From your game, go to the upper left-hand corner and click on this Roblox icon. From the menu popping up in the display, click Settings. Scroll down until you find the camera inverted option and make sure it is turned off. Once you do that, click on the resume button in order to notice that you fixed your camera inverted issue on Roblox. That is how you'll be able to fix inverted camera issue on Roblox. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.